Hey lovelies, come with me to the salon to make my hair. So I've been wearing wig for like I don't know, but then I got tired of wearing wig. So I left my house this Thursday morning and I decided I was going to go make my hair. So I told my friend I was going to come to her side, then she would take me to where she makes her hair. Because all the prices I've been getting here are really high and I'm like, why? So I told her I was going to meet her up and she would take me to where she makes her hair. Though I've made my hair there before, but I just wanted to make my hair. So I went there, I was waiting for her, and look at the fish that I've been waiting for. So while waiting for her, I just stood at one shop waiting, and now she has arrived and we decided, okay, let's go to the salon to make my hair. And she decided to introduce me to her vlog, and yep, we decided to walk because the salon wasn't far from our meeting points. Yes. So while walking, we were talking, and when we got there, they decided to loosen her hair first before attending to me. So I was just chilling and chose my attachment. And guess how much I bought this attachment? Making hair in this country is not easy. This attachment that used to be like 1.5 that time is now 6,000 naira. And I'm like, how many am I going to use? And let's say that I was going to use 1.5. I said, okay. So this is me just getting myself ready. And here we are. We started making the hair. At first, I was like, what is this auntie doing? Ha! I didn't say anything. No. So I was just watching and trying to encourage myself that she knew what she was doing. So while we were there were several discussions. They were talking Yoruba. So their part was the Yoruba part, and the other part of the store was the Igbo. So they would speak Yoruba to the Igbo people, and the Igbo would respond with Igbo back to them. It was fun though. So yeah, they were almost done losing my friend's hair. So going back to my own hair, and I'm like, hope this woman knows what she's doing, no? So I decided to wait and watch and just hope and just believe that this hair is going to come out fine. So we're just discussing, having fun, laughing and talking, blah, 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 blah. So yeah, I kept on looking at the hair and I'm like, God, please let this thing come out well, because if it doesn't come out well, I don't know what I'm going to do, because I don't even have strength to loosen the hair. So I was just hoping and praying, and I'm like, God, please let her just know what she's doing and let this hair come out well. So this is it. What do you think? I don't know what I was thinking here, but I was still like, God, I need this hair to come out excellently well. Like, let it be beautiful. So I just kept on looking at the hair with my phone and making videos step by step and all that. And I was like, okay, let's just watch and see. So while we were there, the woman offered us mods. When I saw the mod, I was like, Jessica, let's come and be going on. Because we've seen several videos online where you go to make your hair and they offer you food and you're like, no. Then you leave. So when I saw the mod, I was like, I didn't say anything though, but then we took the mod and we continued. So we're almost done with the front part of the hair. What do you guys still think? Okay, so I decided, okay, let me just have faith that this is going to really work out fine. So while we're doing the whole thing, I kept on looking at this and I'm like, I'm not feeling my hair. I don't really know if I like what I am seeing. But then I was like, okay, let's just continue. Let's just keep making the hair. And Mercy, keep believing. So I decided to have faith in the lady that this hair will come out well. So they were making it, and there was a little baby there that was just making everybody happy. She was just having fun and always smiling and playing, and everyone was just like looking after her and all that. To be honest, my experience here was okay. It's not my first time making my hair here. It's like the third time I'm making my hair here, but it's been long. I came to the side because it's actually very far from where I stay. But then I decided I was going to make it because the woman's price was reasonable, unlike the ones I have been seeing online and they want to cut my head. So I decided, okay, fine, let me go and make my hair here. So this is the baby I was talking about. Yeah. I decided to make a mini video of her because she was like the main person at this point, I was already tired. I was just praying for the hair to finish because her hand wasn't painful. When she's holding the hair, I feel like there's pain there. But immediately she leaves it, there's no pain. But at this point, I was tired and praying that this hair should just finish because it was looking like the whole day had already ended and I had not done everything I needed to do. But then I didn't see still this hair is fine. So I was just hoping and hoping that something better comes out of it. So when they finished this first step, I was like, okay. Then they started the back part, they did the trimming and all that. I was still looking. I think maybe my phone wasn't showing me what I wanted to see because I was doing a video on my phone, so I wasn't sure what I was seeing. It wasn't looking so nice in my eyes. So this guy passed and we bought cherry from him because they said his cherry was like sugar, the best. We decided to buy it. To be honest, that cherry was nonsense. I licked it last night and I regretted ever wasting 500 naira to buy that cherry. So now they were putting hot water in my hair. This is the part of making attachment. I don't know, like where there has to be hot water digging or where they have to put my hair in hot water. And the sun was really hot, so my scalp everywhere was just hot. I was just praying for the hair to finish so I could go. I was tired, I was exhausted, but then I was still trying to maintain energy and beauty. So this was like the last procedure for this hair. I still wasn't feeling myself. I was just trying to be happy. Until people start saying, oh, your hair is fine. I'm like, is it really fine? So I told the lady that when she's done, she should make a video for me so I could see properly. I wasn't sure what I was seeing at all. But then the whole thing went well and I had fun. I enjoyed the whole process. But, well, Isha went home. Yes. Yeah, this is the part I do not like. I know how to enjoy pain very well, but what would down my head? So after everything, I was like, oh, this is actually fine, It wasn't what I was expecting, when you're expecting bad to happen. But then it didn't end up happening. But then, yeah, I was looking nice, and this is me smiling because I think I'm beginning to feel my hair, I think I like it. In my mind, I was like, I like my hair. So she said to leave my edges. I don't know how this woman did this, but man, this hair is clean, it's neat. I love it. I like it. And it brought out my face. So this is my new look for the month of March. Yeah. So after everything, I was now showing that I was seeing me smiling now. I liked it. So after the edge and everything, I told her she should make a video for me. And this is me with my final look. What do you guys think? Do you think this hair? Oh my god, this hair is fine, I beg. There's not even tell me. So I said to do shakara. I said make a video, let them see. This is what my hair looks like, guys. Then I was telling her if this video is not fine, she's going to be in trouble. But then looking at it now, I'm like, oh, this girl is so fine and your hair is so fine. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Abianto.